Now he must wait.
They are now watching Human Planet, The Desert.
Di ba may buto sa ilalim mo? Hindi nga ng isda. Lalagay siya ng pagkain.
The ceremonial chief chants a prayer to chase away evil spirits. And wings of fish trap believed to protect the words as they are spoken. This is Diallo's once-a-year chance.
Kami naman. Festival siguro yan. Festival na yan.
It's the end.
Sige, kuha ka na yan.
The free-for-all quickly becomes a fishing
Parang
frenzy.
chocolate.
Nahuli ka rin,
Eh, sinusuko pa nila yung isda. Para mapano lang sila eh.
They thrust their baskets down.
Rainier,
Mas chocolate yung lake.
Princess.
Diallo was caught, but there's no time to relax.
wala siya nalagyanan eh. Mga takas.
That's Rainier.
Yung iba naman sa damit niya,
serious.
Walang iba walang damit eh.
That's Princess.
Wala na yung bata.
Dito.
Dito, secret kasi yan.
Rainier. Rainier.
Ano te?
Rainier ba?
Tapos yun lang yung time nila para makakuha ng isda. Tapos pinagbabay sila.
Pinapalaki pa nila yan.
Hindi, pinagbabawalan talaga kumuha.
Have this conversation about the movie.
Nila, pwede silang magganyan.
After just 15 minutes, there's nothing left, and the chaos
Lala ko,
subsides.
ang gusto na kuha.
Diallo is successful but exhausted.
Lala ko,
Rainier is so serious. Watching the movie.
May ulam na.
Back at home, his proud catch of fish becomes a final feast for his
Ano
family,
yan, be?
so they can survive the last days.
Dadaing
Konti
nila
ang
sa
alin?
kakainin. Wala sila. Kalaw ah. Kuha ka pa.
Ah, watching.
Kuha ka pa. Sino to?
Ginagawa nilang dahil.
That's Mama cooking our dinner.
Ikaw to.
Ako yan.
Ate, ba't ikaw lang ganito?
Far to
Ano?
the east of Bandia Dara,
Ganyan.
it takes immense
Ikaw lang ibang
navigational skill just to find it.
Ano kaya eh? Tingnan mo yun sa kanya dito. Hindi sa
These
kanya
two
pupunta.
women